Is your Instagram bio saying everything it needs to say? Let's fix that in under 90 seconds. First, open up your Instagram app. You'll want to tap on your profile picture icon, usually found in the bottom right corner of your screen. This takes you straight to your personal Instagram profile. Once you're on your profile page, look for the blue Edit Profile button, usually located directly beneath your bio section. Go ahead and tap that. Now you're in the editing section. You'll see several options, but we're focusing on the bio field. This is where you can make your magic happen. Simply tap into the text box for your bio. You can delete what's currently there or add new text. Think about what you want people to know instantly when they land on your page. Are you a creator, a business, or sharing your passions? Keep it concise and impactful. Use relevant keywords, emojis to add personality, or a call to action if appropriate. Once you're happy with your updated bio, look for the Submit button, often a check mark or the word Done in the top right corner, and tap it to save your changes. And just like that, your Instagram bio is updated. A good bio is your digital handshake, so make it count.